Hello and welcome to this video. This is a very quick video on this special morning to say a massive Merry Christmas to you, and I hope you have a fantastic festive time with your loved ones. Thank you especially to those of you that watch my content through the year. You might have been with me for years and years. You might have only found the channel this year, but thank you for watching it and let me know I'm not my own, enjoying and loving this hobby. Special thanks to those of you that also interact with the videos, that hit the thumbs up, also leave comments and stuff like that. It's great to get that interactivity. I log in and check those comments and try and reply to as many as I can every single day. So thank you for those of you that go that extra mile. And one last big thank you to my Patreons. I sent all of you Patrons a message yesterday. Reiterate it here. Thank you for being a Patreon and thank you for that support. Right, I'm going to get out the way. Just wanted to quickly make this video and say Merry Christmas. Have a fantastic festive period and hopefully we'll have a fantastic 2026. Best wishes, and I'll see you all soon. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 60 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.